Hi! In front of me is VIVO X90 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Bluetooth and Devices. Following that, tap on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature if it's not already on, and tap on Bluetooth. Now you need to select Power New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, tap on this gear icon next to chosen device. Select Forget next to Connect and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can connect to the same one by choosing Pair New Device, tapping on it and selecting Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!